The Realme P3 Pro is designed for users who want flagship-level features at a mid-range price. With a stunning AMOLED display, Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, a versatile triple-camera setup, and blazing fast SuperVOOC charging, this device offers an impressive blend of performance, style, and battery life. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or a casual user, the Realme P3 Pro is built to deliver a smooth and efficient smartphone experience. The Realme P3 Pro boasts a 6.78-inch AMOLED display that offers deep blacks, vibrant colors, and exceptional contrast. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, everything from gaming to scrolling feels incredibly fluid and responsive. This display also comes with HDR10+ support, which enhances video streaming and gaming visuals by providing richer colors and improved brightness levels. Whether you're watching Netflix, playing high frame rate games, or simply browsing social media, the Realme P3 Pro's display ensures a premium visual experience. Additionally, the AMOLED panel improves battery efficiency, as it only lights up necessary pixels, saving power while delivering a stunning viewing experience. At its core, the Realme P3 Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, a powerful mid-range processor built on a 4nm architecture. This ensures high efficiency, faster processing, and enhanced AI capabilities for improved gaming, photography, and overall performance. The phone is available in 2 RAM and storage configurations: 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage, 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage. The combination of LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage ensures that apps load quickly, multitasking is seamless, and large files transfer at lightning speed. Whether you're editing photos, gaming, or switching between multiple apps, the Realme P3 Pro can handle it all effortlessly. For gamers, Realme has integrated an advanced cooling system, which helps in heat dissipation and ensures stable performance during long gaming sessions. The Realme P3 Pro comes with a triple-camera setup, designed to cater to photography enthusiasts who want a versatile and powerful camera system. 50MP main sensor captures high-resolution images with AI-enhanced clarity, vibrant colors, and improved low-light performance. 32MP ultra-wide lens expands the field of view, making it perfect for landscape shots, group photos, and creative compositions. 2MP macro lens allows users to capture detailed close-up shots, perfect for tiny objects, textures, and creative macro photography. The camera system also includes features like night mode, AI scene detection, portrait mode, and 4K video recording, ensuring that you get high-quality photos and videos in all lighting conditions. On the front, the Realme P3 Pro features a 16MP selfie camera, optimized with AI beautification, HDR, and portrait mode for stunning selfies and crystal-clear video calls. Battery life is a major highlight of the Realme P3 Pro, thanks to its massive 5,500 mAh battery. This ensures that the device lasts all day on a single charge, even with heavy use. But what makes the P3 Pro truly stand out is its 80W SuperVOOC fast charging technology. This allows the phone to charge from 0 to 50% in just 15 minutes, making it one of the fastest charging smartphones in its segment. Whether you're in a hurry or gaming for long hours, the P3 Pro ensures that you never run out of battery. Additionally, Realme's AI battery optimization helps extend battery life by smartly managing power consumption based on usage patterns. Running on Android 15 with Realme UI, the P3 Pro delivers a smooth, clean, and customizable user experience. Key software features include Game Boost Mode enhances gaming performance by optimizing CPU, GPU, and network connectivity. AI Smart Battery Management extends battery life by automatically adjusting power consumption. Privacy and security features. Advanced security features like App Lock, Privacy Dashboard, and AI-based fraud protection. Customizable UI allows users to personalize themes, icons, gestures, and always-on display (AOD) settings. With regular software updates, users can expect improved performance, security patches, and new features over time. The Realme P3 Pro is not just about performance, it also comes with a premium design that makes it stand out in the crowd. Sleek and premium aesthetics. The device features a curved back panel with minimalistic branding, giving it a modern and stylish look. IPX8 water resistance provides protection against water splashes and accidental spills. The Realme P3 Pro is an all-rounder smartphone that offers a great display, powerful performance, an excellent camera setup, and long battery life with ultra-fast charging. For those looking for a mid-range device with flagship-like features, the P3 Pro is a fantastic choice. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or a regular user, this phone delivers exceptional value at a competitive price. If you enjoyed this detailed overview of the Realme P3 Pro, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smartphone reviews and tech updates. What do you think about the Realme P3 Pro? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.